afternoon class 4. Welcome to our video class. So students, this is your first video class of this session. I am your science teacher, myself Anamika Singh. So in this session, in this class, we are going to discuss our first chapter. As you know that our first chapter, our organ system, is already started in the live classes. Okay, so I want to give you the quick recap what we have done in the live class, in the first class. Then after I will start the detail of our organ system. So our organ system, what are the organs? Organs are the delicate part of our body which are present inside our body, which perform a definite function and work together very efficiently. It means they are the delicate part of our body, inside our body, present inside our body, and perform a definite function, whatever it is, like brain. Brain is the master of our body. Second, digestive system. It helps in the digestion process. Heart pumps the blood, lungs for the respiration process. Excretory system, removal of waste material. Muscular system provide a proper shape to our body. Skeleton system, our skeleton provide framework and protect the internal organs. So these are the organs of our body which perform a definite function, work together and work efficiently. They work together जैसे कि one by one all the organs perform their work, okay, and they work together. If brain allows brain command hearts and set to perform blood circulation. After blood circulation, the waste material, whatever the waste material are there in our body, they excreted from the they removed out from the excretory organs. So these are the organs, they work together, perform the function and work very efficiently, बहुत smoothly, like very smoothly they work, they perform their work inside our body. Okay, so this is our organ system. So first of all students, in your book jump start is given in page number 1 itself. Okay, so one by one fill in the blanks it is. So one by one I will write the answer. Okay, if you have completed the work, that is very good, and if you have not completed your work, just write down the answer. Okay, so first one is the dash is located inside the skull. The dash is located inside the skull. So answer is brain. First answer is brain. I am writing here, just write down the answer. Now second one, just wait a minute. Second one, the dash lung is slightly smaller than the dash lung. Okay, the dash lung is slightly smaller than the dash lung. So the correct answer is, first one is right. Right lung is slightly smaller than the left one. So first one is R-I-G-H-T, right, and second one is L-E-F-T, left. Okay, now the third one. The dash is J-shaped sac. The dash is J-shaped sac. So the correct answer is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Fourth one. Okay, the fourth one. The dash are two bean-shaped organ in our body. Two bean-shaped organ are there, like this. Bean-shaped, like this. So this one is what? This one is kidney. Write down kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y-S. Now the fifth one. Okay. Now the fifth one. The dash is hollow muscular structure located in the chest. The dash is a hollow muscular structure located inside the chest. It is lung. So write down L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Okay. So first one brain, second right and left, third one stomach, kidneys, and fifth one is lungs. Okay. Complete your book, student. Second question is given, why does our heart beat faster when we exercise? So I will give you the answer, okay, but the correct answer is I am just giving you in orally, because when we do exercise, okay, when we do exercise, our blood circulates fast, so that is why our heart beats fast when we exercise or when we walk, when we run. Okay, now the topic is going to start. Organ system in our body. So there are different types of organ system, as I explained you very clearly in the beginning, that different types of organ systems are there in our body which perform their definite functions and work together very efficiently in our body. So organ system can be defined as a group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is known as organ system. A group of organs, different types of organs are there, they perform a particular function in our body. Okay, like digestive system, it has esophagus, stomach, intestines, rectum, anus, pancreas. They all are the organs and they group together and perform a definite function. This is said to be as organ system. Okay. Now, the human body is made up of several organs. Okay, the human body is made up of several organs system that work together as a unit. Okay, our body, the human body are made up of several organs. बहुत सारे organs हैं and they perform a function, work together as a unit. Like I am giving an example of our school. That in our school, like teachers are there, okay, peons are there, and admin staffs are there, principals are there. They all are the different parts of our school, but they perform a particular work and they work together. Then after this the school will run. Okay, बहुत अलग-अलग parts है school के and they are unite together. Then a school is run. Like that only in our body, different types of organ systems are there and they work together, they unite, and our body will run. Okay, so this is the organ system. One by one we will study the detail of our organ system. Okay, one by one detail में हम एक organ को अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. Okay students, now all of you page turn. Open the skeleton system. As you can see, as you all have book, as you can see, this is our skeleton system. This is our skeleton system. Our bones, our bony parts of our body is said to be as skeleton system. This one, bones. The bones are said to be as the skeleton system of our body. As you can see in the picture, you all have book. See, this is skeleton system of our body. Okay, so first I will read, then after I will explain. So skeleton system, page number 2. Everyone open skeleton system, page number 2. The skeleton system is an important organ system of our body. The human body has 206 bones that join together to perform the skeleton system and give shape and support to our body. So as skeleton system is the important organ of our body because it provides a framework, it protects our internal organs, delicate internal organ which is present inside the body, and it provides support and shape to our body. Like we are standing, we have a proper shape. When we sit, we are sitting in a proper shape. So due to this bones, the bones are present in our body which provides a proper shape, support, and it protects the delicate internal organs which is present inside our body. Okay, later I will tell you the bones protect which part of bone protect which parts of our internal organs. Now the skull, this one is the skull, the backbone and rib cage, our chest portion, and the limbs, the hand and the bones of the hand and the leg, they are said to be as limbs, are the important part of our skeleton system. They protect the delicate internal organs of our body. As I told you, they protect the delicate internal organs of our body. The back, the skull, vertebral column or the backbone, the front portion, rib cage and the limbs. Hands and the leg bones are said to be as limb bones. Upper limbs hand and lower limbs leg. Okay. Now, then how many bones were present in each part of our skeleton system? It is written in your book. There are 22 bones were present. 22 bones were present in the skull. Okay. 22 bones were present in the skull. Total 22 bones. 12 bones were present in the rib cage. 12 bones were present in the rib cage and 33 bones were present in the backbone. In our back side or in the vertebral column, 33 bones were present. Okay, total 2, 2, 4, 7, 2, 67 bones are total there. 22 bones are in the skull, 12 pairs of bones in the rib cage and 33 bones were present in our backbone or in the vertebral column. Total 67 bones are there. And rest of our body, rest part of our body like hip bones, hands, legs, all the bones were present. Okay. So there are total 206 bones are there in our body, in a human body, adult human body. And when we born in a small child, in an infant, total 300 bones are there. Later when they grow, they mature, the bones joined. The bones which are 300 bones were there, they join together. ठीक है, वो जुड़ते हैं. Then when they reach the adult, when they became adult, total 206 bones were present. Okay everyone? So this is our skeleton system. So which internal organs protect by this skull, rib cage and the backbone? So I am telling you, just listen carefully. The skull protects the brain. The skull protects the brain. Rib cage protects our chest, our lungs and heart, and backbone protects the spinal cord. Spinal cord is the main, you can say, joint between the brain and the rest of the body. Whatever the command given by the brain is the message transferred through the spinal cord to the body. Okay, it is present in our back side. So skull protects the brain, rib cage protects the lungs and the heart, and spinal cord protects the backbone protects the spinal cord. Okay, so this is skeleton system. This is skeleton system. As we have completed the skeleton system, now we are going to start the muscular system. Muscular system. We are going to start the muscular system. As I am clearing the board, then we will start the muscular system. Hope you all understand the topic skeleton system. Muscular system. Now we are going to start the muscular system. So the muscular system plays an important role in helping us maintain the correct posture and perform various activities. As our skeleton system provides us a proper framework to our body and protect the delicate internal organs, support and shape to our body. But muscular systems plays very important role in helping us to maintain a correct posture. Okay, as I am standing, I am creating one posture. I have standing position. I have a posture. So this muscular system helps to maintain a correct posture, perform various activities like running, walking, swimming, all the things including standing, walking, everything are the activities which is performed by the muscular system. Okay, muscular system means our muscles. Now, muscles are tough tissues attached to the bones of our body. They are very tough tissues which are attached to our bones. These muscles attached to our bones. Now, you people will tell Nanam what is tissue. So, let me do one thing. Our body is made up of small cells. Okay, like this. These are the cells. Singular, they are said to be a cell. When they are in single. When they are grouped together, the cells grouped together, they become tissue. They become tissue. And group of cells become tissue. So, muscles is a group of different cells which become the muscular tissue or muscles tissue, you can say. They are the tough tissue. Okay? And when this tissue group together, they become organ. They became organ, which we are studied in this class. Okay? They became organ. Cell, first they are cell. The cell group together to form tissue and the tissue group together to form organ. Okay? Like different organ we are studying. All the muscles together form the muscular system. Bones, so they are single tissue. When they group together, all the muscles of our body from head to toe, they form the muscular system of our body. Okay. Now, bones cannot move on their own. They need muscles to help them move. Only the skeletal system, the bones were not able to move by their own. Okay, until the muscles are there. These muscles which are present in our body helps the bones to move from one place to another place. The muscle itself cannot move without the help of bones, and the bones cannot move without the help of muscles. So bones and muscles are attached together and perform the different activities. Okay. Now, we can move the different parts of the body with the help of our muscles. Like I am moving my hand, I am writing. So we can move our different parts of our body with the help of these muscles. Now, for examples are there. For example, the muscles on our face help us to talk and smile. Like a muscle which is present in our face, it helps us to talk. Like I am talking, I am speaking, and to smile. When we smile, this muscle helps us to talk and to smile. This is the example. And muscles along with the bones help us to walk, and these muscles also help us to walk. Okay, so this is muscular system. So we have studied the skeletal system and the muscular system both. Hope you all understand the topic, the skeletal system, which is already completed in the live classes, and I have just more focused on the muscular system because it is new for you all. So I have focused in the muscular system. So this is our muscular system, as you can see in the picture. You all have book, as you can see in the picture. This is our muscular system. Okay. Now, respiratory system. All of you open page number 3. Respiratory system. Page number 3, respiratory system. This one is the respiratory system, as you can see the diagram. This one is the respiratory system. Come to the label, the nasal cavity, our nose. This is said to be as the nasal cavity because we breathe air through this nose, and the pipe, it is said to be a trachea through which the air goes to the lungs, and the two muscles like structure, as you can see in the picture, they are the lung. Okay, nasal cavity, nose, from where we inhale the air and exhale the air, and the pipe from which the air goes inside the lungs. This is said to be a trachea, and these two muscles structures, specialized structure, they are said to be as lung. This is the whole respiratory system of our body, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so we will discuss this respiratory system in the next class, student. Hope today you all have understood the skeletal system and the muscular system very nicely. Skeletal system, our bony part of our body, they are said to be a skeletal system. I am giving you the revision of these two topics. In the next class, we will discuss the respiratory system. Okay. So, skeletal system, the bony part of our body, the skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, hip bones, everything. Total 206 bones were present in our body. Okay. And they protect the delicate internal organs of our body. Now, muscular system, total 600 muscles were present. Okay, in muscular total 600 muscles were present. Okay, and muscles are a very tough tissue attached with the bones. With the help of these muscles, we can walk, we can perform different activities of in our body, like this. For example, muscles help us to talk, to walk, to smile and everything. Okay, so bones cannot do anything without the help of these muscles. Okay students, so we have completed the skeletal system and the muscular system in today's class. In the next class, we will discuss the respiratory system and the circulatory system both. As I have given you the introduction of respiratory system, so I want that you people just read the topic, whatever the things given in this topic. In the next class, definitely we will discuss the respiratory system and the circulatory system. Okay, hope you all like today's class. See you all in the next class. Thank you so much, and read the topic, students, and after the completion of the video. Okay, thank you so much. See you all in the next class.